Lobsters 101. Chef Rich is making lobsters introductory class 101. First of all, we take a broth, we make onions, carrots, celery, put it in some water, simmer it with some white wine, bay leaves for 10-15 minutes to get a nice broth going. Then we take our little lobsters, which we have here. Hopefully they're alive and healthy. You place them in this liquid after it's cooked and developed a nice flavor. Sometimes it's difficult to get them in there. Okay, now they're in the little pot. You're bringing your thing up to a boil again. You put a cover on it. And you let them simmer in there depending upon the weight of the lobsters. These are like 1.5 pounds. We're looking at maybe 12 to 15 minutes. We'll be back when the lobsters are done. Okay, we're ready for episode 2 of Lobsters 101. What we've done so far is we've made a broth and we've put water, onions, carrots, celery, bay leaves, a little white wine, simmered it for a while to develop the flavor, put the lobsters in. We're cooking them for about 10 to 15 minutes. And here's the end result. This is our cooked lobster that has been in there, nice and red. Wonderful looking treat. Chef always must have a glass of wine with this dish. And now we inspect it carefully, and we can determine that these lobsters are done. These are about 1.5 pound lobsters. 12-15 minutes with this broth, perfectly cooked. They look great. We're now going to shut this down, and next we'll be at part 3. Okay, lobster dinner part 3, the finished product, the perfectly cooked, simmered lobster in white wine and beer paw. The chef also has a delicious glass of Chardonnay that goes with it. Now your challenge is to cut this apart and break it apart and serve it with whatever sauce you may want to make. It could be drawn butter or it could be a combination of other things. That will be part 4, which is not going to appear today. Here it is. Once again, a wonderfully cooked lobster. It's quite delicious.